you're the only team to defeat Mohun
Yes.
Bagan. Can you do that again here? After a string of poor performances, can you do it again?
In football, everything is possible. We training day by day. This can happen. We know that opponent team get 8 days to prepare this game, and we just have 2 days. So they have a little advantage in us. But this also is a big challenge for us, because as I say to my team, it's against good teams that we can improve, and we can make exam what is our skills and how we are. So if we win one time, we can win the second time. We know that now. Opponent team have better players in some positions, because they bring 2 very good players, in my opinion, and they know already that we beat them one time, and for sure they want to win now against us. So this is good for the game. I think if the supporters come to the stadium, you're going to see for sure a good game, and I hope our supporters come and support our players, because it's very important for them to feel supported.
I think since the beginning of our time in Mohun Bagan, we are a philosophy of play. We have our style playing football. The trainings are very similar. Perhaps we are improving. They are different, but in the same way. I think the team is playing better every game, and that's why if you are playing better, you are closer to get good results. But since the match against Churchill, that they won us 4-2 in Kalyani, I think we are better now. But basically, the thing that changed was the results, not the game, not the tactics.